Namaste and welcome. This particular session is about installing Blender on Windows. So all those users who have Windows as their operating system should see this video. Others who use either Linux or Mac OS should go and look out for the other two videos which we have put up, and they should be able to do the installation. But for the Windows user, let's start. So installation on Windows is a fairly standard and easy process, just like any other software you install on Windows. So not much of R&D into it which is required. You need to download Blender and install it in two types of versions. First of all, go to blender.org and you will see a download tab there. Now let me remind you that whenever you go to blender.org, you need not get the same particular screen which you are able to see on your computers right now, because this site was recorded a couple of months back. Now the site may have changed, so don't worry, just go for the download tab which will be definitely there, and once you get there you will get this table or the boxes. The first tab will be showing the Windows option, then you will also see Mac OS and Linux buttons next to it, and followed by source code and the daily builds. Just ignore all other buttons if you are a Windows user, just concentrate on the first tab which is the Windows tab, which is open right now, which will be looking something like this. It is Blender 2.74 for Windows. This is the version which is the stable release right now, and that is why we are using it to show you. It may so happen that whenever you install, probably a couple of months down the line or a year later also, there will be some other version. Don't worry, just look out for the name which has the stable word associated with it. Only then download that version. Okay, so you have two variants here. One is called the installer or the .zip or the compressed file format. Both will work the same way, but you should determine whether your operating system is either 32-bit or 64-bit. For that, we will tell you how to check that. Go to your computer, right click on the computer icon, and you will get this pop-up menu. The last menu button is properties, click on that, you will get this particular screen. In the system section, you will see that system type written over here is 64-bit, which means that the system currently I am using is a 64-bit operating system. Check it for your own systems before downloading. If it is 32-bit, then please download the 32-bit variant. If not, then go for the 64-bit. So once you know that you have to download either 64-bit or 32-bit, then there are two options. One is the installer file. The installer file can be installed directly into the C drive, and it will appear in your programs installed and also on the startup button where you want to start a particular program. On the other hand, the compressed file is working from an independent directory. So if you want to use it, you can put it in your D drive, G drive, F drive, whatever drive you have, but whenever you want to use it, just double click on the icon which is inside that directory. That is the only difference, otherwise in performance you won't find any other difference. So let us see how to install using the installer file. You will get this kind of a icon when you download the software. Double click on that and it will get the authentication screen. Say yes, go ahead, and the setup wizard will start. It will keep you going by prompting you to click the next button. Click on the next button. It will come to the license agreement. You have to agree to the license agreement, say I agree, then it will take you forward. Please keep all these three tick marks clicked so that it will get you into the start menu shortcuts. It will also create a shortcut for the desktop. The file format of Blender is called .blend. So all the .blend files on your computer will automatically open with Blender. Obviously you want it to be that way, so keep it selected, go to next, and it will ask you to choose the destination folder, browse and give that particular thing. As you can see, the space required would be less than 300 MB, so you should have that much of space anywhere on your computers, and then select that particular folder which is favorable for your computer and say install. It will show you the progress bar where the installation will happen, and once it is installed, it will give you this screen where it will say that it is complete, and now if you click finish, the Blender will start. So after you click that, you will get this screen. Again, this screen is for Blender 2.74 because we are recording at the time when 2.74 was the stable release, but it may differ when you are doing it yourself. So don't worry, this will be something called a splash screen, or the first particular screen which opens. This image in the center of this animal can be gone if you click anywhere on the screen, and then you are free to use Blender. Just before getting into it, let us see how to install using a zip file. So you will get a zip file which is a compressed file format which will look something like this. You have to right click and extract it. So in order to extract, you can use the standard unzipping options, or you have some free utilities which you can be used. Then after you extract, you will get a folder which will have multiple files, and that folder will be the key to start Blender on your computer. Once you have this folder, it will have so many files, and one of the files would be this blender.exe, which is the software file. If you have to start the software, just click on this and you will start the software. So that's how it is. It will again come to this default Blender interface, or what I said earlier is the splash screen of the software. Click anywhere to get rid of this screen, and then you are ready to blend. So next session is the most important session where we will tell you what is this interface, what do you see on Blender's scene when you open it first time, and what are these so many windows and what to do with those. That would be the interesting lecture next time. So I hope you install using this Blender installer or the zip file as we discussed, and get ready for the interface session. So see you, until then, thank you very much.